Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here, and it is the 23rd of June. Just got a trading session done there 4 or 5 hours ago. I just went to the gym, and then I went to Walmart to pick myself up a chocolate bar to drown my miseries of today's trading session. So yeah guys, today's trading session was the worst trading session we've had. I went through the calendar, we've done 29 of them. And today was the worst by far that we've had. The second worst was a loss of 730. I'm talking about my account, right? Which my account would basically reflect your account if you're copying following the trade setups and stuff like that through the VIP lives. So today by far was the worst, but over the past 2 days, my account was at 830. So the start of today's session, my account was at 830 profits for the week. And pretty much, if I want to think about it this way, I lost just over $1,000 today in the trading. So I pretty much lost the first start of the week's profits, right? The first 2 days. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it back on Friday, because I don't really think like that, guys. I just go by risk management. If I have 3 losing trades, I stop trading. So today, basically what I did was I stopped trading pretty much. I just trade on one lot for the 4th trade, and we just got 4 trades today because that 4th trade basically played out, and then I think we had like 10 minutes left or something like that, and we actually didn't find another trade for the remainder of the session there. Okay, I did call out a trade in gold though. If you watched the video, I put a black line there, and I said, oh, it's going to probably come down to here. And it did come down to there, and then I think I actually broke below that black line. I don't think anyone took that trade though, because pretty much 3 losing trades in a row, then boom, the 4th trade, dropped my lot size, lost that one as well. So I'm pretty sure everyone watching just was like me, and they're like, yeah, let's just stop trading, which is the best thing you can do, guys. Like, if things are just not going your way, you're having a bad day, and that's all it is. It's just a bad day. What makes it a horrible day is when you don't realize you're on a losing streak and you don't stop trading, and then you do something called over trading, which I always talk about in these videos, these rants from the car videos, and you just keep on trading, and in your mind you're like, I can make it back, and you have a couple wins, and they're not nearly as close as the losses that you had, and it's just like, it comes to a point where you could end up like blowing your account, right? So luckily, this guy's racing to the light. Luckily, there's a motorcycle in front of me there. Luckily, that didn't happen for us, of course. And after 3 trades, I said, like, listen, I'm done. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm going to continue. If I find another trade setup, we'll take it, because we still had, like, I think we had 25 minutes left to go in the session when we finished the 3rd trade. So the first 3 trades happened actually pretty fast. Within 35 minutes, guys, they played out, which is pretty quick. And yeah, so risk management was basically what I wrote down in my journal today. Was this is the worst trading day we've had. I wrote down why. I followed the models. I traded as I normally trade, but the 2 out of 3 trades that I took were liquidity sweeps, and they were a liquidity sweep of the entry model. So really nothing you can do about that. And the 3rd trade basically just went against us, so it would have been a losing trade anyways. And then the 4th trade was a liquidity sweep again, if you watch the video. So just crazy ranging within our open range, just taking out liquidity top and bottom, which if you had have been trading support and resistance, you would have made a lot of money today. So that's something else, is like, how do you know to trade support and resistance and not breaks to trade alongside the institutions, right? That's basically what the models are that I teach in the VIP, is to trade alongside institutions, right? To look for, okay, what are they thinking? What are they doing? Where are they taking price? Because that's where you're going to get good trades, is breaks of your levels, right? So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one.